Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the KB5058499 update on your Windows 11 PC. If this update is causing problems or you just want to remove it, follow these steps. Click on your Start menu, type Settings, and hit Enter. Once you're in Settings, go to Windows Update on the left-hand menu. In the Windows Update section, click on Update History. Scroll all the way down until you see Uninstall Updates. Click on it. In the list of installed updates, look for KB5058499. Once you find it, click on it, and then select Uninstall. You'll see a prompt. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Windows will now remove the update along with its related files. Once the uninstallation is complete, make sure to restart your PC to finalize the process. That's it. Your system should now be free of the KB5058499 update. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.